So we're gonna do this one. I don't know how to say it. It's in the Faber and Faber book. I'm gonna play it one time through with the electric piano. Okay, keep it going. Okay, don't stop it. So I'm just going to show you a few things you can practice before you start playing it. The left hand, 2 and 4, plays on middle C and the A below it. And then these 3 chords, we're going to call that chord number 1. Chord number 2 is that funny one with the F sharp and the C and the D. And then the chord 3 is just a G major triad, okay? So you can practice this chord number 1, chord number 2, and chord number 3. All right, so you got those 3. Number 1, play number 2, now play number 3. Now the left hand doesn't move, it's always in the G position, okay? Now the right hand changes and moves around a little bit. It starts, move that up so it gives you perspective. So this is middle C here. Right hand starts in the A minor position, and then it moves to the E position. So I want you to practice going from A position down to E position. And then you go back up to A position. And then you go back down to the E. So practice going from A down to E position, back up to A, and down to E. Okay, so that's how it goes. We're done.